Here is our problem. We need to find all the even numbers that are bigger than 9 and smaller than 25. Then we will write them in a nice list inside curly brackets. Even numbers are numbers we can split into two equal parts with nothing left over. They end in 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. The problem says greater than 9. That means 9 is not in our group. The first even number after 9 is 10. So we start from 10. The problem says less than 25. That means 25 is not in our group. The biggest even number before 25 is 24. So we stop at 24. Now let's count by 2's starting from 10. We get 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. We stop at 24 because 26 would be too big. Let's count them. 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. That gives us 8 even numbers in our set. Great counting. Here is our final answer. We put all 8 even numbers inside curly brackets with commas between them. This is the tabular form of set D. You did an awesome job.